This is Dr. Jeff Lin. I'm the certified acupuncturist. Today we are talking about some of the auricular medicine, the ear acupuncture. We need a good tool, to locate the ear's acupuncture point, which is, we see this chart. This is big ear, but actually, in the patient, the ear is much smaller. So we need to find out exactly the point, and the tools we can use use different kind of the acupuncture ear point detector. Okay, this is mostly the I use. The first one here is made from the UK. You can see the made from the UK, and this is called the energy point stimulator. They have detect, they can stimulate the point, and also has a polarity. Okay, so we were talking about individuals in the future, and this one also this is from the German made. And this can automatically to calibrate the point. This is pretty good. So you can see that's a German made in here, and this one also is a German made. This also is very easy to use for the acupuncture point in the ear or in the body. This can change the sensitivity. Okay. And they will show in the LED light. And this one is made from Australia. This is automatic calibrate. Very easy to use, but sometimes this also is very hard to use in particular patient or some patient, because they are not a sensitivity. They cannot change the sensitivity also. Alright, so, and also this is spring load in here also. And this one is China made, very light. Okay, this is very light. They have sensitivity change in here. You can change that one. We are talking about this one in the future also, and this one is from the Spain. Okay, the Spain. This is very good. Mostly, I use this very often. So this can change the sensitivity here. They don't have stimulation the function. But also it's very good from the dry skin or the very tender skin, so you can change the sensitivity here, and they have a spring load in here too. Alright, so that's from the Spain. And another is I can use the AcuScope. The AcuScope also is good for the ears point. The ear point, like for this one, the prop. Okay, change from the here. This one, this can treat, stimulate the ear point automatically. They can detect the polarity, which one which point and which one needs. They can automate medical to balance it. So the this is a very good AcuScope. And the AcuScope I also has old model. They call the old model. This is a little bit new model, but the old models I will talking about in the next video. And also the different kind of the acupuncture ear point detector I will individual to tell what's benefit, what is disadvantage. So we will see the next time. Alright, bye bye.